Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reset a user password in Google Workspace Admin Console. This is essential when someone on your team gets locked out of their account or needs their credentials refreshed for security reasons. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. In the search bar, type Google Admin Console and click on the first official link that takes you to admin.google.com. This is your central hub for managing all user accounts and settings within your workspace. Once you're there, sign in using your Google Workspace Administrator account credentials. Make sure you're using an admin account, as regular users won't have access to these controls. After signing in, you'll land on the admin dashboard where all your management tools are located. Look to the left side menu and click on Directory, then select Users from the options that appear. This will display the full list of accounts in your workspace. If you're managing a large team, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific user whose password needs resetting. Once you've found them, click on their name to open their profile page. On the user's profile page, you'll see a Reset Password button, typically positioned at the top right or within the user panel. Click this button to begin the password reset process. A dialog box will appear where you can enter a new password manually in the provided field, or you can let Google generate a secure temporary password for you automatically. Before confirming, make sure the checkbox that says Ask User to change their password when they sign in is selected. This is highly recommended as it ensures the user creates their own secure password rather than continuing to use the temporary one you've assigned. Click Reset to confirm and apply the new password settings. You'll see a confirmation message appear on screen indicating the reset was successful. At this point, copy the new temporary password carefully. It's crucial that you share this password with the user through a secure method. Never send it via regular email or unencrypted messaging platforms. Finally, instruct the user to sign in with the temporary password you've provided. They'll immediately be prompted to create a new password of their own choosing, completing the security cycle. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.